Welcome to this introduction to CSS coding. What we're going to do today is to insert two styles onto this web page. We can do it through the internal styling through here, or we can use a style sheet. So we're going to start first by doing an internal style. So we're going to open inside the head. We're going to open style, and as we've seen before, we're going to write the selector, the curly brackets, and now the property background color. We're going to give it perhaps an aqua value. So now we can see that the H1 has got text background color of blue from here. And just to add one more, we perhaps going to use P paragraph, and we're going to give it a color value of green, perhaps a sort of bit green, that green. So there, let's not forget the semicolon here and also here. And let's see now that the text has gone green. So that's one way to add style to a web page, internal code through style. Or what we can do is, I'm going to delete this for a moment, so the page returns to its original shape and form. And we're going to go to this style sheet here, so we can add style here. I'm going to delete this one, and we're going to add the two we had before, H1 and P, and we see it's got the same effect. Now the difference is that we can use this style sheet with other web pages, whereas the code here only affects that very page. So that's the two ways to do styles.